Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download LinkedIn profile as PDF. Friends, if you want to download your LinkedIn profile as PDF, then you need to open your LinkedIn profile and click on the profile icon and here select view profile. Now here you need to click on resources. Now here select save as PDF. Now select the destination to save the file. I am saving it on desktop and click on save. Now friends, as you can see, my LinkedIn profile is saved as PDF. So here you can see my LinkedIn profile downloaded as PDF. So friends, like this you can very easily download your LinkedIn profile in PDF format. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.